sellers, it's Suzanne. I want to personally invite you to come join my Be a Better Picker challenge. This is a challenge I have set up for the year 2020, so you can join now or anytime during the year. If you've seen my sales update videos from 2019, you know that I am working on my profit per item to improve my eBay business and my overall profits. So after my year-end wrap-up video, several of you said, where do I join the challenge? Because I challenged you to do the same thing. So I have set up a community where we can all support each other on this challenge. So there's just 3 things you need to know. First of all, it's free. It's completely free. It will always be free. You just sign up. Second, I have put together a tip sheet that you can download and print out. This tip sheet has actionable steps that you can do, and you fill out what's right for your business, what you want to accomplish this year that is attainable for you. There are as many different ways to do eBay as there are people doing it. So this is about establishing some goals for the year, and you're checking off things as you're doing them and working towards those goals. Part of these actionable goals are making sure that you're being productive, not just busy, and getting you away from the busy work of eBay so you can be more productive and make more money. And third, join the community. I have set up a place where we can all support each other. It's not Facebook, it's not YouTube, so you don't have to do any social media. You can just come and comment, state your goals, what you want to accomplish, and check in whenever you need support or help, or you just want to see how everybody else is doing with their goals. So just look below the video for those links. I hope you'll come and join me, and we're going to make the year 2020 the best on eBay yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you over at the challenge.